I'm going to talk about responding to an exam report. This feature should be used when responding to an examination report that has been issued by an examiner. When responding to an examination report, you first need to find the application within Account Home. I will first navigate to View Patterns and Applications. From within View Patterns and Applications, I can identify the respective application either by searching, or in this case, I'm going to select the respective application from the list. I can click on the hyperlink for this application, and I will see the Patent Application Summary screen. On the Patent Application Summary screen, I should have a hyperlink for Response to Examination Report. Also listed will be the due date, the date by which you must respond to this examination report. You will previously have received an email telling you that an examination report had been issued. If you have received this email, but there is no hyperlink visible under the Upcoming Actions section, please contact the examiner. To continue with responding to an examination report, I can click on this hyperlink for Response to Examination Report. You will be presented with the Respond to the Examination Report screen. Information on this screen tells you what this journey is used for and what this journey is not used for. So for example, if you need to update the application in any way, you should not use the Respond to Examination Report journey. To begin the process of responding to the examination report, click Start Now. You will now see the Respond to Examination Report screen. This screen will list all of the previously submitted application sections and also a section to respond to the examiner feedback. In Section 1, you can update any of the submitted details, and in Section 2, you will respond to the examiner feedback. The only mandatory thing you need to do on this screen is to respond to examiner feedback. In Section 1, I'm going to submit an update to the claims. I can do this by clicking on the hyperlink, Update the Claims. I will be presented with a screen to upload the claims, and here I can select a file. File must be in docx or ODT format. Once the file has been uploaded, you can click Continue. Please note that for updating the application sections, such as claims, description, and drawings, these documents should be uploaded as clean documents. That is to say, they should be free of any markup. To continue, I will now click Continue. I will be asked how many claims this document contains. I will type the number of claims into the box below and click Save and Continue. You will then be asked to confirm whether you have completed this section. I will select Yes, I have completed this section, and then click Save Section. You will now return to the Respond to the Examination Report screen. The Update the Claims section has been updated and shows as completed. I would now submit a response to the examiner feedback. This is also called a covering letter. I can do this by clicking on the Upload a Response hyperlink. To respond to the examiner feedback, you should upload a document, and this document should be in docx or ODT format. Please note that if you wish to upload any marked up copies of your application sections, such as the claims or description, they should be uploaded at this point. They should be uploaded as one consolidated document along with the response to examiner feedback. I will now select a document to upload. Once the document has been uploaded, I can select Yes, I have completed this section, and then click Save Section. Again, I'm returned to the Respond to the Examination Report screen. From here, I can now review and submit the response. I can do this by clicking on the Review and Submit hyperlink. Here I will be presented with the Check Your Answers screen, and from here you can check the documents you have uploaded. To continue, click Submit. Once the Response to Examination Report has been successfully submitted, you will be presented with this success screen. In the green box you will see the message Response to Examination Report for this application has been submitted, and you will also see a transaction number. In addition, you will receive an email confirmation that the Response to Examination Report has been submitted, and this is also confirmed on this screen. From here, I can return to the Account Home. When submitting updated application sections, you should submit the full document. That is to say, you should not submit only replacement pages.